Yes guys, we are saying goodbye to the Evo. So guys, when I say this, we are getting rid of the Evo, we're not actually getting rid of it. What we're doing is we're getting rid of it in its current form, because we are today dropping it off at Under Wraps in Norwich. So if you followed the channel from when I started it, you'll know that I've always wanted to build my Evo into like a Fast and Furious style car. Fast and Furious 1, 2 and 3 are my favourite films of all time. I love them, and the cars, the way they were built, they were tuner cars, they were modified, you know, so carbon fibre bonnet, all the yellow stuff, the white wheels, the yellow calipers, you know, everyone is going for a clean look on a car, and I totally respect that, but I want to build something different, and that is a car that looks like something that's come out of the Fast and Furious film. So with that being said, we are dropping the car off at Under Wraps because they are going to be putting on a livery, vinyl, whatever you want to call it, that my wife has custom designed for me for the Evo. So today we're dropping it off at Under Wraps in Norwich, in Norfolk, and they are going to be putting it onto this car. And seriously guys, I can't wait to see it done, because I've seen what my wife's done and it looks absolutely amazing with the design. So obviously now we just want to get it on the car and get it done. So that is what is happening next with the Evo. So we're not saying bye to it, but we're saying bye to it in its current form. So this is the last time you're going to see it looking like this. So guys, we've dropped the car off at Under Wraps. They were quite busy, but they've got the car in and they're going to crack on with the work. So yes, like I say, we are getting a vinyl livery, whatever you want to call it, on the car. And like I say, ultimately guys, when I was 10 years old and I started watching the Fast and Furious films, I had a picture of a car that I wanted to build, and I would draw pictures of that car, and it was an Evo, and that's what we're building now. Had a carbon bonnet, had white wheels, it had a vinyl down the side, and that's the only thing that we're missing. So like I say, the guys at Under Wraps are going to be getting the vinyl done, because we've got something happening in the next few weeks that makes us really need this done, where I can't say much, but basically the car's going to be in a film. That's all I can say, and it's a great opportunity for the car, and a couple of me and my friends have been picked to basically have our cars in this film. So the Evo's going to get all these little mods done, ready for when it's going to be in that. But also, like I say, it's something that I want to build, and it's something different guys, because most people, like I say nowadays, and I haven't got a problem with this, are building like a clean car, just look really good, maybe a little bit stancy, a bit of camber, that sort of stuff. I've always loved that noughties, Fast and Furious era of a car. Vinyls, kind of carbon bonnet, white rims, kind of in your face, totally different to kind of the style that's going about now. So I'm building the Evo exactly how I want to build it. So if you haven't, please go back, look at the other videos, go watch the last video, which was the carbon fibre bonnet reveal, also the new little things we've had done under the engine bay, the new intercooler, this, that and the other. That was a really good video, so go check that one out. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and obviously stay tuned, because you want to make sure you're going to see the next video, which is when we reveal the vinyl. Peace out.